West Curry Social Justice Award. And our first recipient is Dr. Trevor Dixon. For the work he has done for the JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad helping Jamaicans at home. And, you know, he'll have a chance to say a few words, but, you know, very proud because he works at Jacoby where I train. But we want to acknowledge all the work that he's done and the difference that he's making in the lives of so many.
Well, thank you. Since I'm the oldest of all recipients so far, I've lived a long life, so I have a few words to say. I'm going to have to make my own podium in here so I can acknowledge it. So I just want to say good evening to everyone. I stand here humbled and honored this evening to accept this distinguished award. Dr. West Curry, as you know, he's a legend in the field of emergency medicine. There is no better award than one which you get from your peers. Those of us who has held the front line during COVID-19 pandemic, and we continue to hold the front line post-COVID-19 pandemic. And we see firsthand all the aftermath of COVID-19. I am also privileged to be amongst this batch of fellow awardees who are trailblazers in the field of emergency medicine. I'm also privileged to have my family behind me and the emergency medicine family here from both Newark Bethesda Medical Center, Newark, New Jersey, where my journey started over 15 years ago, and Jacoby Medical Center in the Bronx, New York, where the journey continues. I am happy to report that great things are happening in global health at Jacoby, and I want to thank Dr. Sperling and his leadership team for making it happen. Emergency medicine is my passion, and I am guided by my grandmother's upbringing and my mother's words. She says, you can complain about it or you can do something about it. I'm using those principles one step at a time as I try to create change and make a difference to humanity by improving global health on the island of Jamaica. While Jamaica is paradise for some, it's a daily struggle for many. The government tries hard, but they need our help and support. I pray that you don't discover the ills in the healthcare system of Jamaica while you're on vacation there. Everyone deserves equal health opportunities and access to good health care. I want to thank Dr. West Curry, Dr. Maureen and the entire Vituity team, and ACEP for creating this medium to recognize unsung heroes, but also ask that real investment be made in global health. Why, you ask? Because it's the right thing to do. Global health stewardship. I challenge each of you to join me in this journey. To whom much is given, much is expected. I challenge the leadership of ACEP to support grassroots organizations as we put boots on the ground in an effort to create change. Thank you on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation. Please follow us on Instagram, like us, subscribe, and support the JAHJAH Foundation. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.